Welcome to Not So Traumatizing Math. Let's talk about volume of spheres. But first, let's review what volume is. Volume is the space taken up by a 3D object. The formula for finding the volume of a sphere is V equals 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. So let's look at an example. In our first example, let's say the radius is about 2.5 inches. That's all the measurements we need in order to find the volume of the sphere. So let's go ahead and plug it into our formula. So volume equals 4/3 times pi times 2.5 cubed. Let's go ahead and plug it in. 2.5 cubed is actually going to give us a bigger number, but that's okay. We can still work with it here. So V equals 4/3 pi times 15.625. So let's go ahead and let's multiply that 4/3 and that 15.625, and that is going to give us volume equals 20.83 pi. All right, so let's go ahead and let's multiply that. I'm going to plug it into our calculator, and I'm going to round to the hundredths place. So this is going to equal volume equals 65.45 inches cubed. For our second example, let's look at finding the volume of a basketball. Now, our formula again is volume equals 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. Our basketball has a diameter of around 24 centimeters. So, since we only know the diameter and we don't know the radius, we actually need to find the radius first. And so to find the radius, when you have the diameter, it's just diameter divided by 2, because the radius is half the diameter. So in this case, 24 divided by 2, our radius is just going to give us 12 centimeters. Let's go ahead and plug it into our formula here. I'm going to use a different color for this part. So volume equals 4/3 pi times 12 cubed. 12 cubed is going to give us 1728, so then it comes down to 4/3 pi, 1728. Let's do 4/3 times 1728, and that's going to give us 2,304 pi. And now I'm going to do the approximate volume of a basketball because I'm going to round to the hundredths place. The volume of 2,304 times pi is going to give us 7,238.23 centimeters cubed. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to add to my numbers by subscribing. Now go out to divide and conquer.